Welcome to Roslea, County Fermanagh. When it comes to healthcare in the county, this is ground zero. In 2017, the closure of the health centre left the village without a doctor's surgery, meaning patients were travelling further for care. The postponement of emergency general surgery at the SWA site in Enniskillen has led to patients having to travel as far as Altnagelvin in Derry. Now, that journey takes an hour and 46 minutes in the car, but 14% of people in Fermanagh and Omagh do not have access to a car. And if they can't procure a lift off friends, their only option is the bus. Well, this morning I will attempt to get from Roslea, rural County Fermanagh, to Altnagelvin, a journey that Translix's journey planner tells me will take almost 4.5 hours. That is the reality for people in Fermanagh and Omagh at the minute who do not have a car. So just how easy is that journey? Well, we're about to find out. So we're now in Maguire's Bridge, a journey of half an hour, 15 miles, and the next journey is going to take us from Maguire's Bridge to Dungannon. Hopefully everyone runs on time and we get to Dungannon in time to catch the connection to Derry, but this is a reality for people who are travelling to Derry from Roslea without a car and relying on the bus service. You're relying on a lot of things to fall in place. You're relying on a good knowledge of the transport network. I'm going to go and get the bus now, and I'll chat to you all in Dungannon. And here we are now in Dungannon. It's about 9:20. The bus arrived in here about 9:15, and I left Roslea this morning at 8:25. For context, my brother-in-law left the same house as I did this morning at 7:05, and was able to text me at about 8:15 whenever I was in Maguire's Bridge to say he had arrived at Altnagelvin Area Hospital. So that gives you an idea of the disparity between driving to the hospital and getting the bus. We're currently in the Southern Trust, so we've now left the Western Trust area, travelled into the Southern Trust, and in about 20 minutes at 9:20 I'll be getting a bus from Dungannon up to Derry, which will take us back into the Western Trust. So we're now travelling across counties and across trusts. So fingers crossed everyone runs according to schedule and we make it to Altnagelvin in good time. So we've arrived in Derry and I've nipped into the Guildhall as the rain has come on a bit heavier, but we made it just over 4 hours after we left Roslea this morning. So next up, Altnagelvin. Good afternoon from Altnagelvin, and we made it. We left Roslea at 8:25 and we've arrived here at about 12:20. So just under 5 hours of a journey. That kind of journey is not for the faint-hearted. It's not one you would undertake lightly, and it would render morning appointments here almost impossible to access. There's a consideration for visitors also. If there's a longer stay in Altnagelvin required, it would take the family a considerable amount of time to visit. However, we have to ensure that there is an equal opportunity for everyone in that regard for travelling. There's still more work to be done on that, as this journey attests.